Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to take apart your Xbox 360 controller. All you need is a T8 Torx screwdriver with a safety hole in the middle. It has that little hole in the middle, so because the Xbox controllers have a special kind of screw that requires this kind of screwdriver. You can find this at like Home Depot or Amazon. If you're too lazy, you can use a flathead lying around, but it has to be really small to fit enough into these holes. So yeah, there are 7 holes. You can see the 3 already, the 6, and then the 3 on each side. They're all outside, and then the last one is kind of hidden if you haven't found it already. When you take this out, there's going to be a little barcode right there. You can jam your screwdriver inside the sticker or whatever. You can just peel off the sticker. It's just a warranty. I don't think you'll really need it if you're going to paint this or do mods on it. I don't care. But yeah, so one's right here, 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 and then here. So let's take these out real quick. Okay, so once you have your screws out, all you have to do is hold the controller like this and just like pull, sort of. So this kind of looks out. So just gotta apply a little force to it. It won't break or anything, so just do that. It's pretty easy. And if you do it really hard, obviously all the buttons are gonna come out, and yeah. So after you have the top layer out, the triggers are like locked into the controller, so just push them out like this, and then just pull. Easy as that. Here's the motherboard. There's a few stuff on here. There's like 4 screws on there. You can use a regular screwdriver to take the D-pad out. It's pretty easy. And this comes off really easily. Since this controller is really old, I don't want to take it off because it'll take a while to put back on. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.